Good morning.
Okay.
Good morning.
I got you loud and clear.
Ah, great. I got you same. Okay, let's do the before takeoff checklist.
Right.
All right, so we should have canopies locked and lights are out. Seatbelts are set. You got your seatbelt?
Locked, yep.
Yep. All right, so flaps are set to take off. We're going to do a first flight of the day check, then we're out of here.
Okay, trim.
Trim is set to up. All right, let me do a quick wipeout.
Yeah.
Come to me, we're good, flaps are set, everything's good. Okay, I'm gonna put the parking brake on, and here we go, first flight of the day test. Yes, so War Dog, without that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it to you once we get at a reasonable altitude, like, 3,000 feet.
Right.
Then you could, make a couple of turns, and we'll head over there, because I don't want to mess around if we don't have everything we need.
Okay, how about the heading is in that little box?
Yeah, I'll give you a heading to steer.
Oh, okay, got it.
All right, so here we go.
Ready?
Ready to fly?
Yep.
Beauty, it works. The doors are good.
Okay. Everything in? Yep.
Angeles traffic, 554 Romeo Charlie, departing on the crosswind. So long, see ya. War Dog, I'm going to about 2,000.
Traffic, helicopter.
We got a solid front here, so I'm going to hold about there and I'm going to give it to you, all right?
Roger.
All right, stand by. I'm throttling down. I'm leveling us off. Give me a second, War Dog.
Okay.
All right, War Dog, you have the plane.
Okay.
I'm off the plane.
I got the aircraft.
All right, good. Nice work, War Dog. I like it. You haven't lost your touch.
I haven't done anything yet.
All right, War Dog, you're descending. War Dog, you're descending. Up,
Okay.
up, there.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Want to stay at 2,000. War Dog, I'm going to be inside, so you're looking out, all right?
Okay.
Center traffic, experimental jet, 810 Romeo Charlie at 2,100 feet coming across the canal. Chesapeake, we'll be passing just south of the approach end of 5. Chesapeake. Okay, gear is up.
Okay, we're working over the big field at 3,000. We'll keep an eye out for you.
Copy that. Okay, War Dog, I'm inside, so you got to be looking out, okay?
I'm looking out. Stay at 2,000.
I'm slowing us up only because we were going way too fast.
Okay.
That was my fault, by the way, not yours. I'm still inside, War Dog.
Okay. So 2,000.
Okay. And PU. Good work, War Dog. You're doing great.
It's coming back to me.
All right, so what you might want to go is turn on a rough heading of, well, let's stay here for a minute, all right? We'll stay here only because I want to give you some time to play around. So make some turns if you want, whatever. If you want, we can head out over to the beach over there.
Yeah, that wouldn't be bad. We got the fuel right there.
Yeah, we have a bit of fuel. We can make it. So head over to the beach over there.
Okay.
So what do you think?
Oh, listen, I'm pressing. It's awesome.
War Dog, you're doing really well.
Well, I'm trying.
I think that's Fentress over there on the left.
Oh, okay, yeah.
At about 10 o'clock.
Yep, been there.
War Dog, you the man. You're solid 2,000 feet. This thing is so slippery that I'm bumping up on 250 knots. So I'm bringing it down to 85%. If you want, War Dog, there's a patch of blue up there if you want to climb a bit.
Okay.
To the left, you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you a little bit of thrust there. There you go, War Dog. You got yourself some altitude here above the clouds.
Okay.
No, you're good. You're good. That's a perfect ride because you want to climb you're climbing at the right speed. 216. It's a good climb.
Right.
How's it feel?
Oh, it feels like it always did. I don't have big dreams.
So what do you think?
Oh, listen, I'm just.
All right, we can level off here so we're not too high. We don't get too far away from this hole.
Okay.
Oh, let's make a right turn. Looking good, huh?
It feels good. Beautiful up here.
Okay, War Dog, I'm going to take it.
You got it.
I got it. Oceana Tower, good morning. 554 Romeo Charlie, an experimental jet coming in for the show is 16 miles south.
514 Romeo Charlie, Oceana Tower, good morning. Oceana altimeter 3028, continue inbound.
3028, continuing inbound. 554 Romeo Charlie.
514 Romeo Charlie, check wheels down, runway 5 right, wind 060 at 13, clear to land.
Clear to land, 554 Romeo Charlie.
514 Romeo Charlie, traffic on the go, runway 5 left. There's a horn, I can be entering a left downwind for runway 5 left.
554 Romeo Charlie.
732 left downwind, your discretion.
We got 3 green. We got boards are out. Boards are now back in. 5 left. That's a shorter one, right?
Yeah, the shorter one. Long one's 11,000.
All right, we got green times 3.
Roman 99, can you make Bravo?
Hey, Oceana Tower, TB1, number 9521 Charlie.
Number 9521 Charlie, Oceana Tower, good morning.
Yeah, we're just off the Virginia Beach Airport, coming over for static 019, and overhead the airport now.
Yeah.
Okay, Roman 99, cross runway 5 right on Bravo, break Roman 32, cross runway 5 right Alpha 8, contact ground. Turn 21, turn right whenever you contact ground enough.
So hopefully you had fun, War Dog.
Oh,
Turn
yeah.
a 1-1 break at the numbers, runway 5 left.
I guess I see it.
How you doing? Okay, War Dog, I don't know how we're going to do this because we don't have the same setup here. We both have stuff. So I can show you how to do it. You want to try to get out?
Oh yeah.
All right, okay.
Gave me a couple of.
He did. He gave me a couple of tips on. So everything, how was your flight? How'd you like it? You did great, man.
Great, yeah.
You are a natural, my friend.
Well,
All right, this is the way to do it, War Dog. Basically, what you're going to do is Don't touch that because that is, that's what you use to get up. Then just stand on the seat. Okay. Just go straight up and stand, but face away from me. You have to face away from me.
Okay.
And stand on the seat. Put your other hand right here. Right here.
Okay.
And then give me your left foot and that's it. Give me your right foot. Give me your left foot.
Okay, hang on, let me grab my...
Oh, here's a good place. Put your hand in there.
Okay.
Put your hand right in there.
All right, I got
Give me
it.
your left foot. And you're down.